Hello, welcome to the virtual tour of Lithan Academy. Upon entering the academy, you are greeted at the reception area. This area features some of our awards and recognitions we have won over the past few years. We also have a waiting area for our guests. Lithan Academy has several computer labs, lecture rooms, and classrooms. Which are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including computers, air conditioning, power outlets, and screen projectors. Each room has amenities such as ramps to ensure accessibility. As home-based learning has become vital in 2020, a studio has been set up for lecturers to conduct online classes, film webinars, and tutorial videos. The classrooms provide a focused, isolated environment for students to take their assessments. The students' lounge and study area serve as places for students to hang with their friends, mentors, or self-study. We also have a faculty office which is used by Lithan staff. Our education consultants are also available to help students with any inquiries. Our pantry area is fully stocked with drinks and snacks. We also have amenities such as a fridge and microwave ovens for students to use. Restrooms are located just outside the academy and are handicap friendly. Our academy is located in the Lifelong Learning Institute, where students can access the library and borrow books and audiovisual research materials for free. The building is a 5-minute walk from the Paya Lebar train station, making it super convenient and accessible through Singapore's public transport network. There are multiple shopping malls in the vicinity, which offer diverse food options for students. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Lithan Academy. Thanks for watching.